It's a cold October morning, YouTube. It's about, I think it's, last I checked, probably about 5-10 minutes ago. It was, there we go, 37 degrees Fahrenheit, or plus 5 degrees Celsius. Oh my gosh, there's frost on the windshield. That's a first. Oh, it is freezing. I had to get in here. Hang on. Put these on my jeans. Put my iPod on my jeans. And see what it is now. Arg. 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Or plus 3 degrees Celsius. And it's about 9:20. So let's cold start the van since I'm going to warm it up for my mom. Windows are just barely rolling down. And there we go. Oh, I gotta get this heat going. See if I can't get the frost off my windshield. That worked. Actually, where'd it go? I had an ice scraper. Let's get that heat going. Get the motor all warmed up. Oh, I think it's in the back. Oh, food. Alright, hang on. Oh, come on, door. Let me get the wind. Whew. Man, it is cold. I'm wearing a leather jacket. And basically insulated. Heat things. Aha! There it is. And it's also got a convenient snow brush. A little bit of smoke because it's just cold. Oh, other side. And probably the people up north, in like the northern states and Canada have to do this a lot. Well, not really northern states, but like people in Canada probably have to do this a lot since they do get a lot of snow. A lot more snow since they're more up north. Just comes right off. And boy, is it just freezing out here. That was condensation that froze or something. What the frick? What was that? Ooh, lots of smoke. I can see my breath. Oh boy. I don't think it's ever been this cold in October down here in the morning. Maybe only 9 o'clock, but dang, it is cold. It's like in the middle of winter. It's fall, yet it feels like it's in the middle of winter. Like I said, just warming the van up from my mom. Figured I'd make a video. The doors resisting to come open. Because one, it's broken, and two, it's probably up front. Okay, this van has 177,751 miles, or 286,000 kilometers. all day, like I said. I'm sitting in the car and I can see my breath. Alright. I think that's enough. Oh boy. Okay, YouTube. There you go. There's a cold start and it is really cold. It is a Sunday. It's Sunday, like I said, Sunday, October 30th, 2011, and it's one cold Sunday morning. So I hope you enjoyed, and there you go. There's a cold start on the van. See ya.